Hey guys, today's tutorial is how to insert text watermark in Microsoft Word. Let's start. Click on Design tab. Click on Watermark option. Click on Custom Watermark. Click on Text Watermark. Type your text in the open range of the text. You can choose font of your choice. Resize it as you want, or you can change the color to your choice as well. And you can choose the layout as well. Then apply it and close it at last. Hope you guys learned these simple tips. Don't forget to give it a like, share the links with the friends. Leave your conversation in the comment section below, and do subscribe to see more of upcoming videos. Bye.